That black dot on your nose? It's not built-up grime from not washing your face enough. It's oxidized oil that turned that color the moment it touched air. Which means, every time you scrubbed harder, thinking you were cleaning, you were actually just irritating skin that was never dirty to begin with. I know that 2 a.m. mirror moment. Phone flashlight on. Fingers pressing where they shouldn't. You've tried the pore strips. That was one satisfying rip. And for 3 seconds you feel like you won. Then you look closer. They're already back tomorrow. Here's the part nobody explains properly. Most of those little dark dots aren't even blackheads. They're called sebaceous filaments. They're supposed to be there. They're the lining of your pore, quietly moving oil to the surface so your skin doesn't dry out. Real blackheads happen when that oil mixes with dead skin cells and gets stuck. Not because your face is dirty, but because the pore lining isn't shedding smoothly. So scrubbing doesn't fix the cause. It just damages the surface while the real issue stays untouched underneath. This is where Korean skincare thinks differently. Instead of attacking the pore, you soften it. You melt the blockage loose instead of ripping it out. Work with your skin's own rhythm, and it stops fighting you back. Step-by-step routine * step 1. Oil cleanse. First warm a coin-sized amount of cleansing oil between your palms. Massage it in slow circles over the nose and chin. Feel it turn from a light oil into a soft, milky texture as it binds with the oil already sitting in your pores. This is the first release. You're not scrubbing anything loose, you're dissolving it. * step 2 BHA exfoliation salicylic acid toner or essence. This is the real hero step. BHA is oil-soluble, so it slides straight into the pore lining and gently dissolves the glue holding dead skin and oil together. No grit, no friction. Just a light tingling cool sensation as it works beneath the surface. Step 3 steam warm compress. A warm towel pressed gently over the nose for 60 seconds. Watch the skin soften. Pores visibly relax open, ready to let go of what's inside without a single finger pressing down. Step gentle extraction. Optional. If anything is loose enough to release on its own, a light, wrapped finger press, never nails, never force. And there it is, that soft, clean slide as it lifts free. Not everything comes out, and that's okay. That's real skin, not a filtered close-up. * step 5 cooling and pore care. Niacinamide serum patted in, cool, watery, absorbing instantly. Niacinamide calms the redness and slowly over weeks helps regulate oil production so pores don't refill as fast. Step 6. Seal with ceramides. Finish with a ceramide-rich moisturizer. This is the step people skip, but it's what rebuilds the pore lining so it sheds smoothly next time instead of clogging again. * pro tip Secrets 1. Never extract on dry skin. Always after the oil cleanse and steam, or you're just injuring yourself. 2. Ice right after extraction, not before. It closes the pore and calms redness fast. 3. Consistency beats intensity. 1 gentle BHA night beats 5 aggressive scrub sessions a month.
* is this purging?
If you're new to BHA, some initial breakouts can happen in the first 2 to 3 weeks as build-up surfaces faster. That's different from a reaction. A reaction itches and spreads, purging clears in the same spots you already had trouble. Will this hurt sensitive skin? Start twice a week, not daily. Let your skin build tolerance. How long until pores look mosseler? 4 to 6 weeks of consistency, not 4 to 6 days. Anyone promising overnight results is selling you something. * week 1 less oiliness by midday. Week 3 fewer new blackheads forming. Week 6 pores that finally look calm in daylight, not just under filtered lighting, not flawless. Not filtered. Just yours and finally under control. Thank you for watching.